Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay, so shall we start? I think we have good number of students that has entered in the class. So let's start with it. See, yesterday we had done till uh, innovative financial services. Okay, you all remember we have done innovative financial, sorry, not services, instruments. Financial instruments. And innovative means which are new in the market. ओके ये सारे नए नए हैं मार्केट में और ये फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं ठीक है न्यू फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज एंड प्रोडक्ट्स अभी यहाँ पे ना बहुत रिपीटेशन देखोगे आपको याद है जब मैं आपको वो लिंक ओपन करके with the help of this link I was explaining you fund based and non fund based financial services that time इसके पहले हमने जो ये चार्ट किया था हमने इसमें मर्चेंट बैंकिंग छोड़ दिया था इसमें लिखा हुआ है बट आई डिड नॉट एक्सप्लेन यू you remember I told you I will explain you little later so now we have that point I did not do it because I thought I will have to explain it little later then why to repeat again and again so now here is the point, here is the heading that we are starting today with is new financial services and products. Now new means again same, I mean again that point has come up. हमने पहले किया था innovative financial instruments. That means new financial instruments which are innovated in the market in recent years. Okay, just like we have done in instruments, we have also to do uh, financial services which are new in the market, which are, recently issued in the market, recently placed in the market. Okay, so that is new. New means like अभी 2-3 साल पहले की बात नहीं है, maybe 10-15 years. It has just got 10-15 years to be in the market. ठीक है अब देखो न्यू फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज में क्या क्या जो जो पॉइंट्स है ना उसमें आप है ना बहुत रिपीटेशन भी देखोगे कौन सी रिपीटेशन जो हमने पहले पॉइंट्स कवर किए म्यूट म्यूट काजल बेटा म्यूट काजल okay now we have merchant banking here loan syndication venture capital आपका आवाज स्लो आ रहा है ओके अभी कितना जोर से बोलूं माइक लेके बोलूं शिवानी माइक ले लूं तू माइक लेके दे मुझे हाँ तो माइक लेके दे ना चलो ठीक है अब
मैं स्लो आ रहा था मैम बहुत
अभी ठीक है बेटा ठीक है चलो so we have merchant banking loan syndication venture capital securitization and then we have wait and then we have this leasing custodial services corporate advisory services we have mutual fund factoring forfeiting okay and we have done so now did you see as I was moving the slide as I was moving slides we had different types of new financial services and products categorized into different types and we had we will have to study it in detail also we have to understand its meaning at least हमने मीनिंग और प्रोसेस को समझना है कि इसमें होता क्या है ठीक है तो लेट्स स्टार्ट अभी जो जो चीजें हम कर चुके जैसे लोन सिंडिकेशन वेंचर कैपिटल I hope you have done it. I hope we have covered it in the earlier slides. So I think we are not supposed to cover it again. But still, if you want me to revise, give a revision to you all, uh, when the slide will come, I will recall those points to you related to that particular point which you have done already. Okay. Now, what is merchant banking? Let's start with merchant banking. See, merchant banking is a financial intermediary. First of all, the very first point is, who is merchant bank? Who can be placed as a merchant banker? And financial intermediary will play a role of merchant banking. Who will play a role of merchant banking? Financial intermediary. What actually he does? He is involved in transfer of capital. His basic nature of work, his basic role is to transfer the capital. Now there are various forms of his roles and duties. He is not only stuck to one thing, but he performs various and different types of roles. Now, what does he help in? What does he help in? He helps corporate companies. Whom he helps? Corporate companies, especially corporate companies, not to individuals. Merchant banker is not to an individual. Merchant banker is there for corporate companies. समझ में आ रहा है? ये सब समझ आ रहा है? आवाज आ रही है? ठीक लग रहा है? Am I am I like audible properly? Is the
Yes, ma'am.
simple? Am I okay with the tone, or am I going fast? Yes, please reply. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ji. Chalo. So, a merchant banker always provides services to corporates, not to the individuals. He helps in transfer of capital. Now, there are different types of roles and duties involved for a merchant banker. So, what is that? What does he help in? He helps in management of customers' securities, how to manage your securities. He will help you out for that. Where to invest, where not to invest. Securities. Whenever we see the word securities, we have to catch the meaning of it as investments. Either doing investment or people invest with us. So customers invest, management of customer securities means people who are investing in my company. How we need to manage that amount of money when it comes in our company, when it comes in our firm. So how we need to manage that fund which is coming in through our customers, through our investors in the form of securities, shares, debentures and all that. ठीक है पहला portfolio management. He also looks after to portfolio management. Now, what is portfolio management? You've already understood. See, you can appoint a corporate customer, a corporate company can appoint a different expert who will look after to portfolio management. But if the company does not want to appoint a different altogether a different person to look after the details of and the activities of portfolio management, so he will ask merchant banker only that you only have to handle all the details, all the transactions, all the purchase, all the sales of the shares. I will not look after to my securities. I will not look after to my investments. What fund has to be invested where? You remember portfolio management meaning? What investment has to be done? How many securities in which I have to do the investment? What is my objective to invest? Long term, short term, marriage, education. You remember? Matching the objectives, we have to invest our money and diversify the money into different securities. That is known as portfolio. Now, who will manage it? Merchant banker can take up the role. Merchant banker can look up all these things. समझ आ रहे हैं? पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट की सर्विसेज भी मर्चेंट बैंकर प्रोवाइड करते हैं. Underwriting of shares and debentures. Now, if you want to issue your shares and debentures, so who will help you out to put those shares and debentures in the market, at what price it should be issued, and then I mean, how many shares are issued, what is the advance has been received, what is the application money that has to be decided and has to be received with the application forms, all such procedures following the guidelines of SEBI. You have to issue the shares, and then everything, every detailed transaction which is related to issue of shares and debentures is the work done by an underwriter. So that can also be done by merchant banker. So merchant banker is you can say multi talented. आप लोगों की तरह है ना. आप लोग भी मल्टी टैलेंटेड हो ना. बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, है ना. ओके. So merchant banker can play many roles. Okay. Um, yes, Shivani says yes, she is multi-talented. है ना. उधर ही लेक्चर भी सुनती है, उधर ही रोटियां भी पकाती है ना. हाँ, उधर ही किसी से बात भी कर लेगी और मेरा सुन भी लेगी. ओके. नहीं. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. चलो. हैंडलिंग इंटरेस्ट एंड डिविडेंड वारंट्स. मतलब उनका ये भी काम हो सकता है कि they will handle what interest and what dividend has to be paid. I mean, how interest, what amount of interest, and to whom interest and dividends are to be paid. Everything can be handled by a merchant banker. ठीक है. अभी देखो last point. I mean, to this slide we have a last point. Renders a host of the services to corporates. That means he will render services to the corporates. Corporate means big companies, not to the individuals, not to small companies. The merchant banker is there to provide the financial services related to transfer of capital only to the corporate companies, not to the individuals. Am I clear with the concept? You just have to like, put on the terms into its meaning. I mean, you just have to grab the meaning of it. You don't have to go in detail. Okay. Loan syndication, what was that? If you want to take a loan, the number of banks come together to perform this activity, to give you out a loan. Suppose you want 1 crore, the rupees 1 crore loan from the bank. Now, single bank cannot issue that amount of loan, no, because it is such a large amount. How will that bank issue 1 crore loan? Because the bank also needs money every day. So that bank will merge with another bank. Two banks will come together, maybe two, maybe three. Two banks will come together to perform the activity of issuing loan together. Am I clear with the concept? ठीक है. ये था आपका लोन सिंडिकेशन. ये मैं रिवीजन करवाई. पहले हमने डिटेल में किया था इसको. लोन सिंडिकेशन का एग्जाम्पल लिखा हुआ है. देखो, एग्जाम्पल मतलब क्या लिखा हुआ है. ये क्या एग्जाम्पल में देखो. सबसे पहले लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, लुक एट द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सिटी ग्रुप ग्लोबल मार्केट सिंगापुर. This is a company. Sorry, I can say it is a bank, Citigroup Global Market Singapore. Okay. Now the plus, you can see the sign of plus, the symbol of plus. Plus means this bank approaches to the other bank, Bank of Tokyo. Now they are both joining hands. Plus Maybank. Now this Citigroup also asked Standard Chartered. Standard Chartered may also ask ABN AMRO Bank. That can also join hands with Mizuho Corporate Bank. Also, they can join another bank with them is Mitsui Bank Corporation. Okay, the number of banks coming together to perform the activity of issuing loan to a single corporate company. Very important. To a single, to one, to a single corporate company, corporate, not to an individual. Will an individual buy 1 crore loan? Why will an individual buy that's such a large amount of loan? And nobody is going to issue that amount of loan to an individual because he will never be able to repay it. Whereas for a corporate company, 1 crore is like, it is as equivalent to 10 lakhs. 1 crore is not a big deal for a corporate company, no? Getting my example? Okay. So Tata Insurance here in the example, the corporate company is Tata Steel, the Tata company. That too Tata Steel. There are so many companies in that, if you call it from the name of Tata. Tata Motors, Tata Automobile, and then Tata Salt. So he's talking about Tata Steel. Okay. So Tata Steel is a corporate company, and there are a number of banks coming together to perform an activity which is related to issuing the loan to a corporate company. Now, Tata Steel is taking loan from a bank, but there is no one bank involved in this activity. There is not a single bank which is involved in this activity because he needs what amount of loan? What is the amount of loan? Can you read the picture and tell me? Can you read the whole picture and tell me what the amount of loan is taken by Tata Steel from different banks? I mean, from a bank, it is issued. Yeah, $750 million. I mean, $750 million. It is not in crores. It is $750 million. So such a big amount of loan he is going to take from bank. So not a single bank will be capable. Not a single bank will be capable to pay such or issue such type of loan. So number of banks are coming together to divide the proportion of loan. Venture capital. I hope you are understanding it clearly. Yes, समझ आ रहा है सबको? Okay. Okay. Venture capital. Now venture capital means startups. Those companies which are going to start, which are going to nourish, which want to play the role in the market to grow. I mean, to they are new in the market. In short, their future prospects may grow. Their financial status can improve. Okay, in the future, those companies may be called as startup companies, new companies. So wealthy investors come in the front. Wealthy means wealthy investors कौन होते हैं? Who are the wealthy investors? Those who are having lot of money with them. उनके पास बैकअप अच्छा खासा होता है. ठीक है? ऐसे लोग जो जिनके पास पैसों का बैकअप अमाउंट ऑफ मनी ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. तो यस एंजल फॉर देम. ओके. यस रिच. ठीक है. पीपल नहीं बोल सकते इन्वेस्टर्स क्योंकि क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना कोई एक जना इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर सकता. एक कोई बंदा इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर सकता. ठीक है. So wealthy investors like to invest their capital in such a business with long-term perspective. Okay. To grow the company, such people come, such investors come in front, and they play very important role in investing their capital into such business for their long-term growth. Such capital is known as venture capital, and those who invest in venture capital are called as venture capitalists. Those who invest venture capital in the business are known as venture capitalists. Okay. Method क्या है? What is the method of, look at the right hand side of the picture. Sorry, left hand side of the picture. Method of financing in the form of equity. It is venture capital is the method of financing in the form of equity. Always remember, venture capital is equity. Equity capital, not preference. Never you will see a type of share which is preference share in the venture capital. It is only and only equity that you can invest in. I mean, if you want to give money to the capital, I mean, money to the company, capital to the company, you have to take up equity shares. Much thrust is given to the innovations and ideas. देखो इसका मतलब क्या है, ये सेकंड पॉइंट जो है ना, much trust is given to new innovations and ideas means, see, venture capitalists, I'm talking about venture capitalists, those who invest the venture capital, investors की बात कर रही हूँ. I'm talking about those investors who will invest venture capital in your startup business. They will only they will invest in your company. They will give you the venture capital only when your company is supposed to give out something new to the market. Something very new ideas will be coming out from your side. Only then the venture capitalists will come forward to invest such amount of capital to you. Am I clear? So therefore, second point is known as, yes, there has to be something very new. There has to be something very innovative, creative. आपका कुछ तो नया मार्केट में आना चाहिए, न्यू प्रोडक्ट, न्यू इनोवेशन, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी. Something has to be there, because if you don't have new in the market, customer, why customer will buy from you? They are already buying from Tata, Reliance, and then already set up companies are there. Already those companies are there. iPhone companies there. Oppo companies there. Now OnePlus is coming, and if OnePlus is not giving anything new to you, anything new to the customers, why will customers will be motivated to buy? Why will they be encouraged to buy a mobile phone which is new to the market? है ना? कुछ तो बेटर फीचर होना चाहिए, कुछ तो नया होना चाहिए. यस, वेरी गुड. कुछ तो अच्छा होना चाहिए. ठीक है, कोई तो न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ होना चाहिए. ओके, फाइनेंसिंग कैन बी डन. मतलब जब वेंचर कैपिटल आपके पास फाइनेंस देने आता है, when he gives you the capital, can be done in both the companies, can be done in both the companies who are starting up now, who are new, and companies who have already set up but want development, but want growth, but they need to grow. ठीक है? Yes, okay, very good. Yes, growing companies. Okay, now securitization, very important. What is securitization? सिक्यूटराइजेशन का मतलब होता है, जो भी आपके पास, देखो मैं पहले ना आपको शॉर्ट में बता देती हूँ, एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग द पॉइंट्स. ओके, व्हाट इज सिक्यूटराइजेशन? सिक्यूटराइजेशन इज converting those assets which are not playing good role, which are not of higher value, into the form of securities, and then issuing it to the investors. Am I clear? See, financial company converts. There is a financial company who wants to convert their ill liquid assets, non-negotiable assets, high value financial assets. Now, what is illiquid asset? Illiquid asset means such as land and building, such as plant and machinery, such as a factory. If you have a land and a factory built on that, it is illiquid, and you're not working with that factory. You're not, now that factory is closed. Nobody lives there. अभी आपने देखा है सालों पुराने बंगले होते हैं, हाँ, जो जल्दी कैश में कन्वर्ट नहीं होता है. वेरी गुड. जैसे आपने पिक्चर्स में देखा होगा, वो 1920 पिक्चर देखी है? 1920, वो भूत प्रेत वाली मूवी है ना, उस पिक्चर में आपने देखा है, वो एक एक जो जो मेन एक्टर है उसको रोल मिलता है कि आपको है ना, ये पूरा जो मेंशन बना हुआ है, बहुत पुराना मेंशन बना हुआ है. क्या कहते हैं मेंशन को हिंदी में? आई डोंट नो. वो जैसे वो होते हैं ना, नहीं नहीं, भूतिया घर नहीं रहे. कुछ भी बोल रही है. नहीं, वो मेंशन जो बने हुए होते हैं बहुत बड़े बड़े पुराने पुराने जमानों के, हवेली टाइप। यस, यस, हवेली टाइप्स। यस, यस। ओके। तो इनलिक्विड एसेट्स मींस जो हाई वैल्यू एसेट्स होती है, जो इनलिक्विड होती है और नॉन नेगोशिएबल होती है। मतलब नॉन नेगोशिएबल मींस नॉन ट्रांसफरेबल, इजीली ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकते ना हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे। ठीक है। इनलिक्विड्स होते हैं, जैसे बहुत पुराने पुरानी दीवार और कुछ तो खोदा हुआ है, यहाँ पे कुछ बना हुआ है, मेंशन बना हुआ है, बहुत पुराना है कुछ। ठीक है। तो इनलिक्विड है जिसमें से कैश फटाफट नहीं मिलती है। नॉन नेगोशिएबल है, नॉन ट्रांसफरेबल है ना। हाई वैल्यू फाइनेंशियल एसेट है। हाई वैल्यू मीन्स लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी एसेट्स है जिनको कैपिटल एसेट्स बोलते हैं, फिक्स्ड एसेट्स। कन्वर्टिंग दोज एसेट्स इनटू, देखो लिखा हुआ है, कन्वर्टिंग इन नॉन नेगोशिएबल हाई वैल्यू फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स इनटू सिक्योरिटीज ऑफ स्मॉल स्मॉल वैल्यूज, मॉन्यूमेंट्स। हाँ ठीक है। तो ऐसी जगहों को आप स्मॉल स्मॉल वैल्यूज के सिक्योरिटीज में कन्वर्ट करते हो, उसकी वैल्यू निकालकर उसके नाम पे शेयर्स मार्केट में इशू करते हो कि ये मेंशन के शेयर्स हमने लगाए हैं मार्केट में, आप खरीदिए। तो मेंशन के नाम पे जो शेयर्स निकाले थे ना आपने, वो आप इशू करेंगे, मेंशन को इशू नहीं करेंगे। आई बात समझ में? मेंशन के नाम पे शेयर्स इशू करेंगे। ठीक है। अब वो शेयर्स बिकेंगे तो पैसे आएंगे ना, पैसे आएंगे तो मॉन्यूमेंट की जगह पे कुछ निकाल के हम लोग मॉल बना सकते हैं और फ्लाईओवर बना सकते हैं, कुछ ऐसी चीज बना सकते हैं जो हमारे नए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में ऐड होगा। कैपिटल चाहिए ना हर एक चीज के लिए आपको। यस, समझ आई बात? या रेनोवेट करना है उसको, मेंशन को बिल्कुल नए तरीके से बना के 5 स्टार होटल बनाना है मुझे। समझ में आ रही है बात कि नहीं? सारे लिखो, 2-3 बच्चे लिख रहे हैं बस। सारे लिखो, समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं? ओके। यस, वेरी गुड। ट्रेडेबल एंड ट्रांसफरेबल। अच्छा, अब जो सिक्योरिटीज में मैंने पैसा डाला, अब जो सिक्योरिटीज के फॉर्म में मैंने कन्वर्ट किया ये वाली असेट्स को, हाई वैल्यू फाइनेंशियल असेट्स को सिक्योरिटीज के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया, अब वो ट्रेडेबल है। ट्रेडेबल मीन्स बेचे जा सकते हैं। अब मैं सेल कर सकती हूँ। वैसे मेंशन नहीं बेच सकती थी, वैसे मैं वो मॉन्यूमेंट नहीं बेच सकती थी, वैसे वो पुराना भूत का घर नहीं बेच सकती थी। अब मैं ट्रेड कर सकती हूँ, उसको बेच सकती हूँ, ट्रांसफर कर सकती हूँ। आई बात समझ में? हेल्प्स टू रेस कैश अगेंस्ट सच एसेट्स। अब मैं कैश, अब मैं उसको कैश में कन्वर्ट कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज नाउ इट हैज बीन कन्वर्टेड फ्रॉम हाई हाई वैल्यू फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स इनटू सिक्योरिटीज। ठीक है ना? हाँ, वेरी गुड। तो अब इसको आप कैश के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट इजीली कर सकते हो। बेस्ट सूटेड, ये एग्जाम्पल सिक्योरिटाइजेशन का, जो ये सिक्योरिटाइजेशन का एग्जाम्पल है, इट इज बेस्ट सूटेड टू हाउसिंग हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनीज, हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनीज whose loans are long term। ये किन के लिए सबसे ज्यादा सूटेबल होता है? कौन सी कंपनीज के लिए सबसे ज्यादा सूटेबल होता है ये सिक्योरिटाइजेशन? हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनीज, जिनको घर के लिए लोन देना होता है ना लोगों को, क्योंकि वो तो लॉन्ग टर्म होता है। हाँ, लॉन्ग टर्म होते हैं ना घर के जो लोन होते हैं, वो 2-3 साल के लिए नहीं होते, 10-15 साल, 20 साल, 25 साल, मे बी मोर देन 25 years, मे बी मोर देन 30-40 years होते हैं इतने, आपको पता होगा अच्छे से। ठीक है। बेस्ट सूटेड किसके लिए होता है ये एग्जाम्पल सिक्योरिटाइजेशन का? कौन सी कंपनी ज्यादा ये सिक्योरिटाइजेशन में इन्वॉल्व होती है? हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी, जैसे एच डी एफ, सॉरी एच डी एफ सी, डी एफ एच एल, है ना। डी एफ एच एल इज अ कंपनी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन which gives you loan for house, purchasing house, construction of house, etc. Now this is the process of securitization. See, it's very simple. It is not complicated. It looks complicated, but it's not. Now parties involved in the construction securitization process. सबसे पहले there is a you can say, start from this part. Can you see my cursor here at the pink part? at the pink
Yes,
circle?
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now go on looking at my circle, huh? Go with my cursor. Sorry. Go on looking at my cursor. First, the first, I mean, what should I be saying is, um, the first um, cycle starts from, the first stage starts from investor. I mean, the investor. Suppose I am the investor. Suppose I am the investor, individual borrower. Now I want to borrow money. I will go to bank. I will give the bank my receivables, whatever assets I have. देखो नीचे मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है, ये कर्सर को देखो मेरे यहाँ पे, consider receivables as assets. Which assets? Which assets? High value financial assets, non-negotiable financial assets. Remember those points? Illiquid assets. Illiquid means which cannot be converted into cash. High value means capital assets. Again, same point. So I will not repeat again and again which type of assets. And wherever I will say receivables, you have to consider assets. Okay, I've written here for you. Consider receivables as assets. So wherever receivables word is there, you have to think about the assets. You have to replace that receivables with the asset word, because that is pretty easy to understand. When I say receivables, you will be like, what is receivables, man? But when I will say assets, you will be familiar with it. ठीक है? Okay. Suppose I'm an investor, I have an asset. ठीक है, मेरे नाम पे कोई असेट है. अब मैंने वो क्या किया, जाके गिरवी रखवा दिया और उसके अगेंस्ट में लोन लिया. सी बैंक इज गिविंग मी लोन, इन अगेंस्ट आई हैव टू मॉर्गेज माय असेट. आपको मॉर्गेज का मतलब पता है ना, गिरवी रखवाना. बिकॉज यू आर टेकिंग लोन एंड अगेंस्ट दैट लोन you have to give something to the bank, no? That is known as mortgage. So bank is giving you the loan, but in against to that you have to keep something, some assets, some high value assets with the bank in the name of mortgaged asset. In the name of mortgaged assets. Example, papers of house. Very good. Documents of house. Document of your house. ठीक है, मतलब घर के जो पेपर्स होते हैं. ठीक है, अब जो बैंक है ये ओरिजिनेटर. Look at this very carefully. Now this bank will sell, this bank will sell off all the assets that has been taken from you in the name of mortgaged assets to to a to a firm, to a, I mean, what to say, to an institution who will be known as special purpose vehicle, SPV. SPV is an institution set up to look after to the securities to be to the assets to be converted in the form of security. Who will do it? Who will convert high value assets into the securities? A financial institution who is set up for this special purpose to convert the high value assets into securities. Therefore, its name has been kept as special purpose vehicle. Now, vehicle, don't take the literal meaning of the vehicle means motor car and then BMW. No. Okay, vehicle means through which an institution who plays a role of converting assets into securities. Who plays the role? The special part role, played by this institution. So bank sell off all those mortgaged assets to special purpose vehicle. Now, special purpose vehicle, because now bank has sold off all the investments, all the assets to the special purpose vehicle. So in again, special purpose vehicle will give cash to the bank, because bank is selling off. No, mute. Bank is giving something to you. So in against, special purpose vehicle will give you cash. in against of those assets. आई बात समझ में? I think we should stop because less than 1 minute is left. Please rejoin again. I will continue there. Rejoin again, okay?